Hi, Rich. Welcome to my channel. And today video is about Angular deployment on IIS server. So, in this tutorial, I will deploy my Angular application on IIS server. So, you can see that this is my Angular application, and this is my application. It is a basic calculator application. So now let's start deployment of Angular application. First of all, we need to build our applications, either it's Angular or 18, other like a .NET application. So first of all, we should publish the application. So uh, now I start publishing the application. So for publish the Angular application, we have command ng build slash config. It's simply configuration. So configuration and space production. So you can insert from right as a prompt and enter. So, sorry, this is not set up for Angular development application. Sorry, sir. What we said, we should write the complete production in the present. So basically, we built configuration production, we will publish our Angular application in distinct file. So as of now, we have no any distinct file like a distinct file. So after publishing, we have created a distinct file. So basically, go to the relay file explorer. So this is my publish Angular code. So for deployment on IIS server, we have to open IIS server. So search IIS server. If IIS server is not available in your Windows, so we have to open by going through the control panel and program.feature where we have to select IIS server, and this is the some lengthy process and time taken. So if you have needed for the separate video on that, I will create it. So let's start to continue IIS server. So open IIS server, and you can see that this is the my IIS server manager, where basically this show the side we have deployed and applications pools. This is the separate container, like a container for each application we have you deploy on your site. Like I previously, I also deployed Jenkins Web API. So this is the Jenkins Web API application, and this is the default side we have provided. So this is my IIS server manager. After opening that, we have a need to if we deploy any application like .NET or Angular or other thing, so we have first of all place that application inside the publish application files. Like this file we have placed inside the init cover. So first of all, we have copy Control C and open our init pub www, and I have created like my application name Angular calculator calculator. Right. We have to paste our publish file. Yeah. So basically, any application if you want to deploy, so put them on the init pub www and create your application name and paste here your publish file. So after successfully paste this, open again in server manager, and now click on sites, right click, add website, and simply name your website like my website name is calculator. Calculator. So this is the by default application pool created. You can change your application pool, like you can already select the other application pool which you want to write. But first simply by keep it at the by default. If any issue, then we can check it. And now select your physical path. So we have to select our init for www root and our Angular calculator. Click OK. And you can test connected or not. You can also test here connected or not. And here bindings. Bindings are very important where you type in type we basically choose the HTTP or HTTPS. So HTTP for HTTP and HTTPS are the secure protocols. So by default HTTP, so I will choose HTTP and this is the my port number and this is the IP address. So I choose my IP address and port number. We can choose any port number like I am choosing 8090. So we have care about that we any application should not deploy on the same port. If we, in past 2 years you have deployed any application on the same port, then it will give you like another application are running on the port. So keep the port number is unique and click OK. And also you can write your site name. So for this we have to configure like reverse proxies, things like that. So this is not a video about that. So simply after run this, uh, name your site, application pool, and choose your physical path like root folder, www root folder, and where you publish application you will keep. Choose that path and select binding, select type HTTP, IP address this, and port number this, and click OK. Now you can see that your calculator application is successfully deployed. So right click on that, and you can see that if you have changes have change in any file and after publish you have based on that, so you should refresh the application and also you want to restart and here you can restart. So now we can browse our application. So you can see that the my application is running and is successfully deployed. You can see. So this is a very simple process. Sometimes we have a configuration issue like where application Angular application is not running. So this is basically due to this. This is basically due to default folder and where we have to place this index.html and first after that all the files are. So sometimes this issue comes, but currently my application has no such issue. It is properly working. So that's all about the Angular deployment on IIS server. Thank you. Thank you.